Okay, so today for practical, I will be showing you some specimen. So by seeing the specimen, you have to name the specimen as well as you need to say something about the specimen. And ask any one of you, we have already completed this, that's why I am saying to you. Okay, but before going, did I explain to you about the brain in your class? मैंने ब्रेन के बारे में डिस्कस किया था लेकिन
मैम हम लोग ने एक साइड लिया है क्या ब्रेन तो
Can you please repeat again what did you say?
Ma'am, I think we have finished the brain.
The brain. Okay, did I explain to you everything about all the lobes of the brain?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then I will be showing you some specimen and name specimen as well as you need to say something about the specimen. मैं तुम लोग को स्पेसिमेन दिखाती हूँ और तुम लोग को एक चूज करना पड़ेगा इनमें से और इसके बारे में तुम लोग को बोलना है ठीक है तो मैं दिखाती हूँ so let me show you I'll be showing you some specimen and you have to name the specimen as well as you have to say something about the specimen. So the first question goes to पहला सवाल जाता है अबू बकर सिद्दीक
Yes, ma'am.
It's cracking.
स्पेसिमेन दिखाती हूँ और वो स्पेसिमेन तुम्हें बोला मतलब वो उस स्पेसिमेन के बारे में तुम्हें बोलना पड़ेगा ठीक है मैं एक एक करके दिखाती हूँ तुम्हें ये पहला वाला है ये दूसरा ये तीसरा ये 4 नंबर और ये लास्ट तो 5 नंबर तो इनमें से तुम कौन सा वाला चूज करोगे कौन सा वाला चूज करोगे अबू बकर
हेलो मैम सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है
इनमें में से तुम कौन सा वाला चूज करोगे?
मैम इंटेस्टाइन.
Intestine.
Yes, मैम इंटेस्टाइन.
Start. तो शुरू करो इंटेस्टाइन के बारे में.
Ma'am, first introduction. Intestine, which is the longest part of the digestive tube. So, is divided into a small intestine and large intestine. Yeah, two parts.
What is small intestine? Okay, small intestine.
मैम सुना नहीं दे रहे आवाज. नेट की प्रॉब्लम है.
सिर्फ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के बारे में बोलो.
Ma'am, small intestine length is greater in males than females. It is small intestine. Ma'am, it receives bile juice and pancreatic juice. Small intestine.
Okay, what do you say? Female intestine is smaller. I didn't say anything about male and female intestine. Okay, अब मैंने मेल और फीमेल के बारे में नहीं बोला चाहिए. ठीक है. ये सोचना स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में कितना पार्ट है. कितना पार्ट है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में?
Ma'am,
3, 4, 5 कितना है? कितना पार्ट है?
ma'am,
5, 6 कितना?
duodenum, jejunum, ileum.
3 parts. Okay, 3.
3 parts. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the small intestine comes under which system? कौन सा system?
Large.
हाँ? reproductive system के अंदर आता है, कार्डियोवास्कुलर सिस्टम के अंदर आता है, या फिर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के अंदर आता है. कौन सा सिस्टम के अंदर ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन आता है?
Ma'am, I don't know. Forget it.
डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के अंदर ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन आता है. ओके, गुड. नेक्स्ट आइटम शिक्षा.
Ma'am,
Okay, so item
excuse me, ma'am.
from this specimen. brain is there, liver is there, heart is there, lung is there. So which one will you choose?
Lungs. Small intestine.
Which one, lungs or small intestine?
Small intestine.
Okay, start saying about small intestine.
Mm, Small intestine is an organ in the intestinal tract where most of the ends absorption of nutrients and minerals from food that take place. Small intestine lies between the stomachs and the large intestine, and they receive bile and pancreatic juice through the pancreatic duct to aid in digestion.
It's divided into how many parts?
Pardon, ma'am?
The small intestine is divided into how many parts?
3 part.
Can you name them?
Yes, ma'am. Duodenums, ileums, and jejunums.
Can you tell me the functions?
Pardon, ma'am?
Can you tell me the functions?
Uh,
Can you tell me the
the
functions of
can Ma'am, I can hear the question properly.
Can you tell me the functions of the small intestine?
Yes, ma'am. The main function of the small intestine are to break down or digest food and to absorb nutrients.
What about helium and helium? What about helium and hydrogen?
Helium, version of helium. Um,
Can you say
no, ma'am.
anyone knows the answer? Jyotismita, can you say? Jyotismita, can you say the answer? Jyotismita Devi. Ankita Burman. Ankita Burman, can you say? Okay, what about Gidharta Sharma? Gidharta, okay, what Johnson? What about Johnson? Can
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
you choose any one from this specimen and you say about the
Ma'am, heart.
heart.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, say
Uh, the heart is a muscular organ made by a cardiac tissues. It has four chamber and it is located uh, at the sternum between the lungs. The main function is to pump blood and remove deoxygenated from
move
the body.
supply.
Pardon, ma'am. Hello.
No, you don't say remove, you say supply, supply, okay. They supply oxygen,
Okay, ma'am.
they supply oxygenated blood to the different part of the, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Uh,
Then
it has four. It has it has four chamber. Left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, and right ventricle. The right atrium receive blood the right atrium receives blood and pumps in the right ventricle, and the right ventricle receives blood from the right atrium and pumps it to the lungs, where it is loaded, or where the lungs is loaded with oxygen, and pumps it back to pumps it back to pulmonary veins from the lungs.
It's not pulmonary. It's pulmonary.
Pulmonary veins from the lungs.
Okay. And
And the pulmonary veins receive the blood from the lungs and goes to the left atrium through the valves.
okay, Johnson. Can you hear me, Johnson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you didn't say anything about the valves. The valves are there, right? So you say you didn't mention.
Ma'am, your voice is not so clear. There's a crack.
Okay, so
It's
here
cracking.
valves.
Valve. The oxygenated blood passes through the valves to the left ventricle, and the aortic valves opens and pumps it to the aorta, to all part of the body.
You just see the chat box one, Johnson. Google chat box. Okay, I it again. So here valves are there.
Ma'am, there are 4 tricuspid valves.
Okay, so what is here? What is name of the valve?
Which that one is mitral valves, ma'am.
Okay, this one.
Since it is near to the aorta, aortic valves, ma'am.
Okay, this one.
Pulmonary.
Pulse, you say pulse.
What, ma'am?
Pulse is pulmonary.
Yeah. Sorry, ma'am.
Those are
Pulmonary valves.
okay. Jugal Kalita. Jugal Kalita. Julie de Marie. Julie de Marie. Jyotishmita Devi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jyotishmita, you choose any one from this specimen.
Brain.
Start.
Ma'am, uh, brain is the central part of the body. Brain is divided into four.
Thoughts. Center of the thoughts, you say.
Central part of thoughts.
Because when it comes to
brain.
the brain.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can continue.
And brain is divided into four. Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes. I can hear you. What are the parts of brain? What are the parts of brain? Matilam. Matilam, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Matilam, can you what are the parts of brain?
The parts of brain are cerebrum, diencephalon, brainstem, and cerebellum.
Can you name the lobes of the brain?
Pardon, ma'am?
Can you name the lobes of the brain?
The lobes of the brain are frontal, parental, temporal, and occipital.
Okay. Now, can you tell me at least one function of any lobes? Any one function of any lobes?
Um,
Any one function of any lobes? one function of any rows? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? It's okay, we'll end up here. Okay, can you hear me? That's all for today's class.